In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Proton Drive. We'll walk through creating a folder, uploading files, and sharing them securely so you can get organized fast. Start by heading to Proton Drive in your browser. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface and click New. From the menu that appears, choose New Folder. A small window will pop up asking for a folder name. Type a clear, memorable name so you'll always know what belongs there, then click Create to confirm. Next, open the folder you just made. This is your workspace. You can add content in two simple ways. The quickest is to drag and drop files directly into the empty area of the folder. You'll see a visual cue letting you know the files are being added. If you prefer menus, use the plus New button inside the folder, then click New again to open the upload options. Choose Upload File, pick the file from your computer, and click Open. Larger files may take a moment, so keep the tab open until the upload finishes. When your files are in place, it's time to share. Select the item you want to share and click the Share icon at the top. In the Sharing panel, you can add people to collaborate with you. This is great when you want specific individuals to work from the same source. You'll also see a section that shows who currently has access, which is helpful for double-checking everything is set correctly. If you need to share more broadly, look for the Public Link section. Toggle it on to activate a shareable link. Once it's active, click Copy Link to place it on your clipboard and paste it wherever you need. Repeat this process anytime you want to share additional files or folders. That's it. Create a folder, add your files, and share them confidently. With these steps, your Proton Drive is set up and ready to keep your documents organized and accessible.